Okay, so ito yung ating problem, 2x plus y raised to 8. So this time, meron tayong coefficient ng x. Okay, so paano natin ito isosolve ngayon? So, tulad din ng proseso natin kanina, we're going to write our order of terms. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 because we have 9 terms. Okay? And so, unahin natin isulat yung ating first term with its exponents. Gagamit ako ng ibang ballpen para hindi tayo malito. Ayan, gagamit ako ng blue. Okay, so we have 2x raised to the 8th power. So, decreasing siya. Okay, and then we have 2x raised to the 7, 2x raised to the 6th, and then we have 2x raised to the 5th, 2x raised to the 4th, 2x raised to the 3rd, 2x raised to the 2nd, 2x raised to the 1st, and 2x raised to the 0 power. And then yung ating y, or yung ating second term, so increasing naman ang kanyang exponents. So it will start with 0, so y to the 0 power, y to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and y to the 8th. Now let's come to their coefficients. Okay, so anong ballpen bang gagamitin ko? Let me try green. Wala na ba akong ibang color dyan, like orange or pink? Okay, let's try pink this time. And so it is always automatic that our first term will have a coefficient of 1. Ayan. And then yung ating second term, kukunin natin yung exponent ng previous term, which is 8, multiplied by its coefficient, which is 1, divided by its order of term, which is 1. And so, ang kanyang coefficient ay 8. Ayan. And then, we have here yung coefficient ng, yung first term lang ha, ng previous term, we have 7, multiplied the coefficient, which is 8, over the order of term, which is 2. Okay, and then i-cancel na natin yung ito. This will become 4. And so, the coefficient will become 28. Ayan. Okay? And so, next we have 6 yung kanyang exponent. And then 28 divided by the the order of term, and so this will become 2, cancel 2 times 28 is 56. Is it 56? Yes, 56. And then we have the coefficient, the exponent of this is 5 times 56 divided by 4. Cancel this. The answer is 14. 14 times 5 is 70. Okay? And then the coefficient of this is 4 times its coefficient, the exponent rather is 4 times its coefficient is 70 divided by the order is 5. Cancel this. This will become 14. Okay, bumalik siya sa 56. Ibig sabihin, this is your turning point. Kasi magkapareho sila ng exponent tulad ng sinasabi ko kanina. So, babalik na siya ng 56 and then 28 and then 8 and then 1. Okay? And so, dadagdagan na lang natin yan ng plus, plus, plus. So, plus, 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 and plus. Ayan. So, doon sa final natin, ang uunahin natin gagawin ay simplify muna ito. Okay? So, what is 2x raised to the 8th power? So, 2x to the 8th power means 2 raised to the 8, x to the 8. Okay? So, ito ay magiging Yan. Sulat ko nga yan muna. Okay, ito ay magiging 2 raised to the 8 x to the 8. Ayan. So, what is 2 raised to the 8? That is 256. Okay, that is 256. So, we have 256 times 1, 256, and this will become 1 also. So, that is 256 raised to the, or x raised to the 8th power. So, that is already our first term. Plus, that is 2 raised to the 7. So, 2 raised to the 7 is ilan? 2 raised to 7th power is 128. I-multiply natin siya doon sa kanyang coefficient, which is 8. So, times 8, that is equal to 1,224 x to the 7th y. So, I hope nasundan nyo yon. Simplify nyo ito. So, 2 raised to the 7th power is 128 divided by tuloy. 2 raised to the 7th power is 128. You multiply it with the coefficient, that is 1,024. And then x to the 7th, y to the 1st. Okay? Plus, 2 to the 6th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, that is equal to 64 times, yung coefficient natin ay 28. That is equal to, ilan? 1,792 x raised to the 6th power, y to the 2nd power. Plus, yung ating coefficient there is 5. So, 5 or 2 raised to the 5th power is 32. 32 times, ang coefficient natin ay 56 equals 1,792 x to the 5th power, y to the 3rd power. And then plus, 2 to the 4th power is 16. So, that is 16 times 70. 70 yung kanyang coefficient. Okay? That is equal to 1,120 x raised to the 4th, y to the 4th. Plus, 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 8 times 56 is equal to 448. 448. And then we have x to the 3rd, y to the 5th. Okay? Plus, 2 to the 2nd power is 4. So, 4 times 28 is 112. So, 112. X to the 2nd power, y to the 6th power. Plus, 2 raised to the 1st power is 2. So, 2 times 8 is 16. X, y to the 7th. Plus, 2x raised to the 0 power is equal to 1 times 1 times 8 to the y power is y to the 8th power. So, ito na yung sagot natin ng 2x plus y raised to the 8th power. So, yan ang shortcut. Okay? So, I hope mamamaster ninyo ito kasi kasali ito sa exam ninyo, bukas. Okay? So, meron kayong isang problem na ganito para bukas, which is 10 points. 10 points po yun. Okay? So, I hope this is clear. And please also review your mathematical induction. So, yun ang sakop ng exam ninyo para bukas. Mathematical induction. You start with arithmetic sequence, and then we have the geometric sequence, and then we have the arithmetic series and the geometric series, and a little bit of quadratic sequence. Okay? So, God bless you everyone. Prepare for your exam tomorrow.